Comes into town and he ends up shagging the cook at the pub. Girlfriend.
Yep.
Created this big trouble because the cook girlfriend ran off with Megsy.
Well,
bad news.
Broke the shoe and now attempting to repair it.
I've got
some
bad
glue.
news for you. Doesn't come off with water.
We've had to modify the can, which was broken, but we fixed it.
How did you fix it?
With a knife. So hopefully this works, otherwise I'll be wearing thongs for the rest of the trip.
Oh shit.
Ooh, what are those? Nuts? Almonds?
It's not diabetic, right?
No, I'm not, thank you.
I would use a smaller one. What are these?
Like almonds with sugar on them.
Oh, that is brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Jim.
I'm getting worried. He's feeding me all sorts of good things. He's probably going to want a favour.
He cracked the shits and quit his job. So the whole pub was out of cook, no cook, nothing. She pisses on, and what was it? She comes back, trying to crawl back to him.
Well, she found out that Lindsay, is that his name?
Megsy. Yeah.
Megsy?
Yeah.
That he didn't really have a house or money or anything. He says, I'll take care of you, honey. Don't worry. Just come with me, you know.
Now the reason we do this is so the critters don't crawl up our pant legs. So I've been told, but I'm the only one doing it, so I think they're making fun of me.
No, I've got mine tucked into my boots. You're not going to get up there.
Well, really the truth is he's got pink socks underneath and he doesn't want to show us.
There you go.
Nicely done.
Oh, it's a leg.
They're actually midges, but we had this American girl that lived down in the Caribbean or somewhere down in South America, and down there they call them no-see-ums, which makes a lot of sense because by the time they get you, that's the only time you know. So they've bitten you, and they're gone, and that's when you know you've been bitten, not when they're doing it.
Oh yeah. Good.
That's more perfect than yesterday.
We got a few spuds here, we just boil them up first and we just fry them in the pan, make them nice and crunchy. Yeah, they should be good. With olive oil, salt, pepper, and bam, you've got chips on the patch.
Look at that. Perfect. Just perfect. Perfect eggs. Nice. like 2 testicles.
Got beautiful crackling by the smell, and gratin de finois. It's a special recipe from my wife. So we've cooked it all in camp ovens. We're about to check it out. Let's have a look. The gratin first. Look at the potato bake.
Ooh!
Oh, not too bad. It's pretty good. Put that on there so it can cool down.
Roast pork.
Very nice. Well done, boys.
It is all done on the campfire.
All done on the fire. Good effort all around.
Boiled potatoes.
Okay.
We've got mince, and there's onions through the mince,
Yep.
and a bit of a gravy, and then we've got fire roasted peppers, both red and green, and these are leeks, which I've made a salad with.
And Chris did all.
So that's what we're going to eat tonight.
There's your way of boiling water.
What? It didn't work too good, Joel.
It was alright for a start, then it started to fucking melt.
Cut the horns off, take the furry bits away, and burn them. Perfect steak.
The master chef.
And it's good fun cooking on the fire. So when I get home and I go to cook on the gas, I have no idea. So I don't know how hard to put the gas on. But out here I know it needs 1 more stick or 2 more sticks, or leave it on for another 5 minutes until the coals burn down a bit more, and then it's all good. The bread.
How come?
So we can have something to eat. So tonight's dinner is sausages, and if I make this we'll have sausages and bread. And sourdough bread's my favourite. So once you mix it in the bowl, get it to the right little texture, and then you've got to knead it. That's my little cob, and it's been sitting for about 40 minutes, so it's had the chance to rise. And when I cook it, it'll probably rise a little bit more. I've just dusted it with flour, and now we're going to put it in the oven and cook it.
How do you know how much coals to put on?
Just guess. And if it starts in 40 minutes when we take it out, if it's black, I guess wrong.
Cammy, beautiful. That was the way to go, mate. Look at that. It's a work of art.
You happy?
I'm very happy. I'll be happy when I eat.
So this is the big reveal for
the loaf of bread that Matt made, sourdough, homemade bread in the Outback. It's been on for 40 minutes.
It'll be a little fucking charred black thing.
No, it won't. It'll be perfect.
Oh, idiot. Don't show that, Kimbo.